Everybody, so welcome back to another video. So today I want to talk to you about business. I know it has been a while, but there are a few tips that I will be sharing with you today. Now, first of all, as a small business or a business overall, just know that customers barely care. And as harsh as it may sound, they just need the product or the service, and that's it. They don't need to know how you got to work. They literally don't care, because they're paying for the service. So whatever it is that they expect, that whatever it is that you're supposed to do to get the service or the product to them, then that's all you should do. So it really does not matter to them. So take it out of your mind that your customers will always be understanding of you not being able to do something on time, or give them what they should get on time. A lot of these things, it always causes a problem because you expect for your customers or your clients to always be understanding. Now, the second thing is the DM for price nonsense. That is the fastest way to lose a potential customer, especially me. Because one, as soon as I see a product and I want it, if I comment under that post and ask for the price for the item, and then you say DM me for price, I am not even interested anymore. If I'm scrolling away, I do not need to hear DM for price nonsense.
One water. How much for them?
Hey, what you mean how much for them?
How much for the water? We'll make go buy the water and then how much cheese?
How much cheese? Wait, no, lady.
Third.
No, wait. DM for the price, you say?
What?
You want water?
Yeah.
DM me for the price, them for the water.
Sir.
No, I do not get why anybody would do that, or even put your social media, your business social medias on private. Nonsense. Because one, I'm not going to follow a business page if the account is on private. I do not see the sense in that. Why don't you DM me? I comment, then you DM me and tell me what's the cost. It's nonsense. And I saw somebody said that they only tell you to DM for the price, so that whenever they want, they can switch up the price on anybody. So I think that was a good one. I never thought of it before, but it's a good one. But once I see DM for price, I am no longer interested in the product, and I'm pretty sure that a lot of people would relate and can say it's the same for me. No, another thing is not building a relationship with your customers or your clients. No, I'm not saying to get unprofessional and lose focus. No, not everybody that you do business with, you are supposed to be friends with. No, you leave business at business level, because they always say family, friends, doing business, it no mix. I'm pretty sure that we've all heard that before. You can see it. If you have a business, if you had a business before, you can understand and you can relate as to why. No, you want to ensure that you build a relationship with your customers or your clients. It builds a sense of trust when you are able to connect with your customers. So they won't just feel as if you're a stranger, especially if your business is not registered. And it's really great for business. So I can definitely tell you that you should definitely try it out. So you don't, as I said, you don't have to get unprofessional. Talk to people. Actually talk to people. Network. Support other people. Support small businesses as much as you can. Share their stuff. It goes a far way with you just liking, sharing, commenting. DM for price. That does not work. Do not put your business account on private. Nonsense. And you shouldn't really take it personal. As a matter of fact, you shouldn't take it personal if your customers doesn't care what you do behind the scenes. It's just what it is. It's a harsh truth, but I think we all should know and we all should understand, so we don't get our feelings in business. And you have to have thick skin in business. You can't have thin skin in business, because that will never work. Till another time, if you want me to speak about something, whatever topic, business related, whatever it is, just comment below and let me know. Like this video, share this video with somebody, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.